How to delete playlist on Spotify. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your playlist in Spotify. To do so, first of all, open your Spotify application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you will be able to see this Your Library tab. Tap on it and then you will be taken to your library page. On this page at the top left, here select the playlist option, and once you view all your playlist, here locate and tap on the playlist you would like to delete. You can simply tap and hold the playlist you would like to delete, and at the bottom you will be able to see this pop-up menu. From here you will be able to locate delete playlist option. Simply tap on this option and then confirm it by tapping on delete once again. By doing so, you will see you have successfully removed or deleted your playlist from Spotify. Also note that you can only delete playlists that you have created. If you want to remove a playlist created by someone else, you will only be able to unfollow it. Also, deleting a playlist is permanent. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete playlists in Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.